Good morning everyone from the Maldives. We are here at a local island called Dhiffushi and staying at stone hotels. So it's really early in the morning, around 6:30, and we have come down to the beach and we're gonna explore the southernmost tip of the island. I'll show you a bit later why, but just look at the colors, the soft hues from the sunrise.
We had walked this spot in the evening. It's all covered with water.
Yeah, now it's low tide. In the evenings, the water is pretty much high.
Almost till
Yeah, you can see it. You can actually see it because this is the wet sand. You can still see different shades of blue, though it's not very imminent because the sun has not come up properly yet, but you can still see there's a lighter blue, then there's the darker blue side is all seaweed, like almost black one, and then there's a dark blue shade, and after that is a deep waters. So in low tide you actually get to access the hermit crabs and that oyster, I think.
No, both of
No,
them
not
are
oyster.
hermit crabs.
Oh, both are hermit crabs.
Yeah. Because we came
Yeah. Very shy.
There's a big one there.
Yeah, it's walking into the water. It went inside.
As soon as we come
So there's a sandbank that forms, that is visible and accessible when the tide is low. Otherwise, in the evenings we've come twice, but it's completely underwater there. the sunset is this side, it happens this side, so that's why the sunrise is behind. We are staying in the west side, sunrise is happening in the east, which is very much walkable and accessible, but there's nothing, like not a good view that side. So we are at the end of the sandbank in the water side. I'll just show it this way. There should be walking. We are heading back and I'll show you the Stone Hotel's beach next. We haven't been able to show it properly because when we arrive there's like always a lot of people already. So the Stone Hotel's beach is called the Southwest Beach because since that is not really in the southernmost tip. The southernmost tip is a sandbank that we went. There's that Stone Hotel swing there, far off in the water. It's always like you'll never find the beach empty. Always someone or the other is there.
As early as you come.
As well. We came at 6:30. Still there were people. Like one person was there, now there are quite a few. So this is the Stone Hotel's area. We have beach beds, there's a bar and breakfast place, and this is the beach. That is the swing. Let's go into the water a little bit. It is cool. Oh, someone's goggles is there.
Some kids.
It's cold, but it's not freezing. There are no fishes here. We saw some there, that side, like a little further. There was this one patch of coral yesterday where we saw some fishes, very small, very little. But there are no fishes here. But the water is very nice. It's calm and soothing, and you can stay in for a while without having to strain your leg too much. Like if you're just relaxing and not swimming. Other times you can't really get the GoPro because we go quite far, and we didn't get the smaller GoPro which we use for which we dip in water and stuff. And we forgot to get the cover for this, so I can't really put it inside the water.
However, there are too many people around.
So we don't want to shoot. There are a lot of kids. So even though there are drones flying who's breaching everyone's privacy, but we don't want to do that. This is a swing. It's too high, and I don't want to really get on top of it. But yeah, this is one shade of blue, then you see the seaweed layer, then you see another shade of blue.
That's like a deeper.
Yeah. These people offer a lot of water sports also. So there was a lot of jet skiing yesterday. Mostly jet skiing. But we are not really interested in water sports. But if you are, if you like water activities, there are a lot of them. Your own hotel will 100 like 99%. Oh, can't go too close, but we can. Those are not the reef sharks, but it's going away. I think there are places in the island where people give food and then you can see the manta rays, but we don't want to do that. If it's naturally visible, it's well and fine. Otherwise, I don't want to attract wildlife. This is also wildlife, so I don't want to forcefully call wildlife. Like, you wouldn't go to a national park and throw food to attract lions or tigers. Why would you do that in the ocean? So yeah, this is a nice view of the hotel, standing tall. And yeah, we'll set up our seats, and then we'll head for breakfast also. Breakfast, it's mostly the same items, just one or two variations, so we're not going to shoot that.
Check it out in the first.
Yeah, you can check it out in the
one
of the previous vlogs. Go through the playlist and you can check it out. There is a small shack there where we bought some drinks and water yesterday. They are priced much lower than the hotel. So
that's like the public.
That's like for the public beach, the public side. A lot of locals were buying, so we thought, let's see. They have a lot of local stuff also, local colas and local versions of Sprite and Coke. So, and then in the evening we had some cold coffee there, and they had some snacks also. They had some local snacks like cakes, and then some savory stuff as well. So it's nice. In lunchtime they were closed, so people on the beach probably have lunch in the Stone Hotel section itself. Water was really nice. Finally we get a crane which is on the water, which is like the Maldives poster shot, and the Maldivian boat there. It's a nice background. We're sitting here on the beach, and this has been like our go-to place since the last 2 days. There's this coconut tree, a nice shade, and we are sitting in bean bags. You can see it. And there is the sea, ocean. Indian Ocean, yeah. That's a nice little space. Because of the tree we have a nice shade. It gets really crowded as the day goes, and so yeah, we came early so as to shoot without the crowd, and we have somewhat been able to do that. But still, it was very unexpected to see a lot of people still out so early in the morning. Um,
Oh, there's a rainbow there.
where? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a rainbow. How nice. I don't know if GoPro can capture it. Right there. It's beautiful.
Diva diloi paufa vi beva falo binge Diva diloi paufa vi beva falo binge Kehi diva marwali galat ke lo bivati
Sitting here and having some iced coffee at this small shack right beside the hotel. So look at the weather. This is still better. When we were in the water and then it suddenly started, it was sunny and then it suddenly started pouring, and there was like it was super windy, so we came up and then it rained really, it started pouring. And yeah, so I'll put the clip here. Now we're just enjoying some iced coffee in the shack. I showed you the view from down while we were having iced coffee and some clips of this stormy rainy weather. This is the view from our room. And here, this is the and this is the view. It's still rainy. This rain is prolonging a little bit than on the first day that we saw. Second day during breakfast, that lasted very like half an hour. This one is prolonging a little bit. The cloud cover was more today. So yeah, this is the view. We'll try to go up to the terrace and see how it is over there. So this is from the pool area. We're in the terrace right now. From the infinity pool, you can still see the different shapes.